Okay, dear students, let us solve one important example on continuity, which was asked in board examination. So here, what is question? Find all the points of discontinuity of given function f, where f is defined by f of x is equal to mod of x plus 3 if x is less than or equal to minus 3, then minus 2x if minus 3 is less than x less than 3, 6x plus 2 if x is greater than or equal to 3. तो यहाँ पर हम लोगों को जो पॉइंट्स दिए हैं देख लीजिए, यहाँ माइनस 3 है, इधर 3 नज़र आ रहा है, तो हम लोगों को यहाँ पर माइनस 3 और 3 ये दो पॉइंट के ऊपर हम लोगों को क्या करना है, कंटिन्यूटी चेक करना है। तो कंटिन्यूटी हम लोग कैसे चेक करते हैं कि फंक्शन इज सेड टू बी कंटिन्यूअस इफ लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट इज इक्वल टू राइट हैंड लिमिट इज इक्वल टू एफ ऑफ ए। सो लेट अस सी हियर। सो लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट is equal to limit extends to 3. So we will check here when x is equal to minus 3 first. So what is the function for left hand limit? X is equal to minus 3. So x is less than minus 3 here. So for x is equal, for left hand limit for x is equal to minus 3 is this. So this is equal to this mod of x plus 3. It is equal to minus 3 plus 3. So it is equal to 3 plus 3, 6. So right hand limit I will calculate. Right hand limit is equal to limit x tends to minus 3 plus. So for right hand limits here, minus 3 is less than x, means x is greater than minus 3, so it will be minus 2x. So this is equal to minus 2 into minus 3, so it is equal to 6. Now let us calculate f of minus 3. For f of minus 3, which function is there? X is less than or equal to minus 3, means for x is equal to minus 3, this is function. So mod of x plus 3, that is equal to mod of minus 3 is plus 3, that is equal to 3 plus 3, 6. Now see here, left hand limit 6, right hand limit 6, and f of minus 3 is also 6. So I can say that here LHL is equal to RHL is equal to f of minus 3. So this implies f is continuous at x is equal to minus 3. Now let us check for x is equal to 3 now. So when x is equal to 3. Now let us take here left hand limit. Left hand limit is equal to limit extends to 3. So for x is equal to 3, x is less than 3 here. That means this. So minus 2x, it is minus 2 into 3, minus 6. So what is right hand limit? Limit extends to 3. For right hand limit, x is greater than 3. So this 6x plus 2. So I can write 6 into 3 plus 2. So 18 plus 2 is 20. So here itself no need of calculating f of 3. LHL is not equal to RHL. So this implies f is discontinuous at x is equal to 3. So what is key point here? हम लोगों को यहाँ पर ये समझ में आना चाहिए कि लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट एट गिवन पॉइंट कौन सा फंक्शन लेना है, राइट हैंड लिमिट के लिए कौन सा फंक्शन लेना है। x इज लेस देन a के लिए लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट, a इज लेस देन x राइट हैंड लिमिट, x is equal to a, that means for f of a. So in this way we can calculate left hand limit, right hand limit and value of given function at x is equal to a, we can say that. ठीक है? Okay, thank you. Okay dear students, let us solve one important example on continuity. So what is the example here? We have to find the values of p and q for which f of x is equal to 1 minus sin qx upon 3 cos square x. F of x is equal to p if x is equal to pi by 2 and f of x is equal to q into 1 minus sin x upon pi minus 2x whole square if x is greater than pi by 2. So we know that a function is said to be continuous if left hand limit is equal to right hand limit is equal to f of a. Okay, so we'll use the same method. So let x is equal to pi by 2 minus h. So for calculating left hand limit I am taking x is equal to pi by 2 minus h. If x is tending to pi by 2, x is tending to pi by 2, h will be tending to 0. हम लोगों को लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट निकालना है तो x इज इक्वल टू a माइनस एच लेना है, ठीक है। और राइट हैंड लिमिट निकालते समय हम लोगों को क्या करना है, x इज इक्वल टू a प्लस एच लेना है, ठीक है। सो लेट अस सी हियर लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट इज इक्वल टू limit h tends to 0. So 1 minus sin cube x upon 3 cos square x here. See, x is less than pi by 2, तो ये लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट के लिए फंक्शन हो जाएगा. So we know that a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So let us apply here. So limit h tends to 0, 1 minus sin x into 1. So before that we have to write here x is equal to pi by 2 minus h लिखना है. Limit h tends to 0, 1 minus sin cube pi by 2 minus h upon 3 into cos square pi by 2 minus h. So this is equal to limit h tends to 0, 1 minus sin pi by 2 minus theta means it is cos cube h upon 3 into cos pi by 2 minus theta means sin theta, sin square h. So this is equal to limit h tends to 0, 1 minus cos h into 1 plus cos h plus cos square h. इसको एक फैक्टर्स लिखे हैं मैंने यूजिंग दिस फार्मूला अपॉन दिस इज 3 sin square h, ठीक है. So I can write here 1 minus here 1 minus cos 2 theta means 2 sin square theta, 1 minus cos theta. So therefore using this limit h tends to 0, 2 sin square h by 2, 2 sin square h by 2 into यहाँ पे डायरेक्ट लिखेंगे 1 cos 0, 1 यहाँ पे प्लस 1 लिखेंगे अपॉन 3 sin square h. Now here this 1 plus 1 plus 1 that is 3. That is, this 3 will get cancelled with this 3. Okay. So I can write here limit h tends to 0, 2 into sin h by 2 into sin h by 2 divided by sin h into sin h. So what I am doing here, I will multiply numerator and denominator by h square. Right? I can multiply this. So this can be written as limit h tends to 0, 2 into. Now see here, this h I will write here h into h, h into h. So I can write here 2 into limit h tends to 0 sin h by 2. ओके, ये h यहाँ पे ले लेता हूँ मैं, h यहाँ 2 लिखता हूँ और यहाँ 2 लिखूंगा, डिवाइडिंग न्यूमरेटर इनटू sin h by 2, यहाँ से एक h यहाँ ले रहा हूँ मैं, ओके, और यहाँ 2 लिख रहा हूँ, यहाँ 2, राइट, डिवाइडेड बाय sin h, ये जो h है यहाँ पे लिख सकता हूँ मैं, ओके, इनटू ये जो h है sin h अपॉन h आ जाएगा, ठीक है. So it is 2. So we know that if h is tending to 0, then h by 2 will also tend to 0. यहाँ पे limit h tends to 0 I can write. So here this will be 1. This is limit h by 2 tends to 0. It will be 1. यहाँ पे मैं लिख सकता हूँ this 2 can be written, ये जो 2 है, पहले ये 2 था यहाँ पे, बराबर है. So I can write here, so I should write here this 2 here only, not इधर नहीं आएगा वो, यहाँ आएगा, बराबर है. So this 2 into 2 it will be 4 आ जाएगा यहाँ पे, ये मैं इधर ले रहा हूँ, ओके. Then this is 1 by 2, ये 1 आ जाएगा, ये this is 1. I can write here limit h by 2 tends to 0, this is 1. So 1 into 1 upon, so limit h tends to 0 sin h by h, this is also 1. Here we can write limit h tends to 0, this is also 1. So it is 1 by 2. So we can say that left hand limit is equal to 1 by 2. LHL is equal to 1 by 2. So let us calculate now RHL. For right hand limit, let x is equal to pi by 2 plus h. This implies x tends to pi by 2 plus h will tend to 0. If x is tending to pi by 2, h will tend to 0. So therefore right hand limit is equal to, so for right hand limit x is greater than pi by 2 here, this function we have to take. So I can write here q into, I'll take here limit h tends to 0, q into 1 minus sin x. X means what? We have to take pi by 2 plus h upon pi minus 2 into pi by 2 plus h whole square. So this is equal to limit h tends to 0 q into 1 minus sin pi by 2 plus h means sin pi by 2 plus theta, it is cos theta, upon pi minus, इसको 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दीजिए अंदर, तो व्हाट विल बी दिस, pi minus 2h आ जाएगा, right? So it is whole square. So therefore I can write limit h tends to 0 into q. This will get cancelled. अगर हम लोग if we write here 0, तो it will not be defined. 1 minus 1 0. So we will convert this 1 minus cos. This is h. इसको साइन में लिखना है 2 sin square h by 2 upon this is minus 2 whole square 4h square, right? So we can cancel this. So I can write here limit h tends to 0. इसको हम लोग क्या करते हैं, we take out side this 1 by 2. So ये q यहाँ पे लिखेंगे, तो sin h by 2 into sin h by 2. हमारे पास यहाँ h है, h स्क्वायर कैन बी रिटन h, तो यहाँ पे हम लोगों को 2 यहाँ पे लिखेंगे, ये 2 यहाँ पे लिखेंगे, तो ये जो है 2 into 2 4 कैन बी रिटन here 8, 2 into 4 8 हो जाएगा, ठीक है? So this implies q upon 8. So limit as h is tending to 0, h by 2 will also tend to 0. Sin h by 2 upon h by 2. You can take here whole square. So it is q by 8 into 1. So this is equal to q by 8. So what is, that is right hand limit is equal to q by 8. Okay. Now let us calculate f of pi by 2. We calculate f of pi by 2. So f of pi by 2 is equal to p. So f of pi by 2 is equal to p. So therefore LHL is equal to RHL is equal to f of pi by 2. What is LHL here? LHL is equal to 1 by 2. RHL is equal to q by 8. And is p. So this implies p is equal to 1 by 2. Then q by 8 is equal to 1 by 2. Q by 8 is equal to 1 by 2. So q is equal to 1 by 2 8 into 1 by 2 into 8. So q is equal to 4 by 2. So in this way we have to solve this example. ठीक है? Thank you.